water supply installations, apart from the possibility of inserting cold, hot and circulation pipes, there is a possibility of inserting parallel water supply pipes. To do this, we have to enter the tab Water. Select the second icon, Set of Parallel Water Pipes, click and insertion window will be available. We can enter the properties of our parallel water supply set, and we can see here by default hot and cold water. With the plus on the right side, we can add another pipeline, and in the third column select its function. Now we add the circulation to have 3 pipelines. In the second column, we have the option to select the leading pipeline, that which we will lead the entire set. The information about the leading pipeline is available all the time when drawing pipelines in the insertion window. This means that we need to join cold water to cold water, and we click on the earlier inserted pipelines. The program immediately joined the other pipelines, except for the one we clicked on, which are 5 centimeters offset from the main leading pipeline, according to the settings in the properties. I can use the ortho function to draw perpendicular sections. We go at the height of 120 centimeters. We can click and further lead the pipeline. At some point, a situation may occur that the pipelines start to intersect. If we go right, the pipelines will not intersect. If left, there will be sections crossing each other. If we want to avoid this, we can change in the insertion window the line order by using the icon Change, that is, the blue arrow. After clicking, the order has changed in, and we avoid lines crossing when going to the left. We can also insert parallel vertical sections without stopping the command, and we can mark in the insertion window inserting vertical sections. Additionally, I will enter 280 and deselect Import from Element because we don't have any elements on top. As you can see, the program is already inserting vertical sections. I click on the new sections are inserted in the view. We can also see how it looks in the axonometry. We can see our inserted pipelines.